Looking to sell your house in Florence, but struggling to find a buyer? Kevin Buys Houses is here to help. As a local cash buyer with over 20 years of experience in the real estate industry, we specialize in hassle-free and quick sales, no matter your situation. Whether you're facing foreclosure, divorce, relocation, or an inherited property, we can help. We'll also assist with vacant houses, mortgage problems, probate, liens, downsizing, major repairs, or if you're just a tired landlord. Kevin Buys Houses can help you sell your Florence house today, no matter what the circumstance. The traditional real estate process can be a long and stressful journey, with numerous steps involved. With Kevin Buys Houses, you can skip all that. Simply visit our website and provide us with your basic information, and we'll give you a fair all-cash offer within 24 hours. We buy houses with cash, which means you can sell your Florence house today and get a check in your hand in as little as 7 days. We understand that selling a house can be overwhelming, which is why our goal is to make the process as easy as possible for you. From any necessary repairs to handling all the paperwork, we'll take care of everything. You can trust us to offer fast, fair, and honest prices for all houses we purchase. Don't let the hassle of selling your house hold you back. Contact us today at 480-650-2709 or visit our website kevinbuyshouses.com to get started.